Hey guys, it's Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, and I'm about to show you what I'm working on today. Today is October 1st, 2025, and it is hot as balls outside, as usual here in Tampa, Florida. Or my shop is in Holiday, Florida, which is northwest of Tampa. So let me show you this. Customer called and said it was a hit and run. It's a lease. They're turning it back in. They don't want to be dinged for this. So we got a little bit of missing paint here, which I'm not going to do anything about. We got some creases here all throughout the trim and this big old dent here. So I'm going to attempt to get in there and pop this dent out and then straighten out all this other stuff. That ain't good. That clip's supposed to be behind everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get after it, and I'll bring you back whenever I've got something to show you. This is a Hyundai Hyundai. It's a Volkswagen Tiguan. So that's where we're at. We're gonna get her done. All right, peeps, that's all she wrote. Is it perfect? Nope. But it looks the part again. And it doesn't suck. So I was able to heat it up, get behind there. I took all of the interior bracing out. I got back there, popped it out, heated it up, held it in place till it cooled. And now it is kind of right. Perfect? Nope. She knew it wasn't going to be. And also she said, I don't want to spend a lot of money. So that's fine. She didn't have to. I got her done. Thanks for watching. If you get a little fender bender, whether you need paint or not, give me a call, 813-846-4406. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.